Webull's free app already offers zero commission trades and solid features for most investors. But what about Webull Premium? Is it worth paying for, or just extra bells and whistles? In this review, we'll break down what you actually get with Premium, like Level 2 market data, advanced charting, and extended trading hours. We'll focus on how these tools work in real trading, not just what's on the feature list. Whether you're a long-term investor or an active day trader, you'll see if Premium fits your style and budget. By the end, you'll know if you should stick with the free version or unlock the full power of Webull Premium. Let's get started. So what do you actually get with Webull Premium? The main draw is access to advanced Level 2 market data, real-time bid and ask prices from multiple market makers. This gives you a deeper look at supply and demand for any stock, which is crucial for timing trades. Premium also unlocks more technical indicators and charting tools, letting you customize your analysis far beyond the basics. Plus, you get full data access during pre-market and after-hours sessions, so you can react to news before most traders. For active traders, these upgrades can make a real difference. But are they essential for everyone? Let's dig deeper. Level 2 data is the star of Webull Premium. Instead of just seeing the best bid and ask, you get a ranked list of prices and order sizes, revealing market depth. This helps you spot support and resistance, gauge momentum, and time entries or exits with more precision. Advanced charting tools let you use over 50 technical indicators like RSI and MACD to spot trends and reversals. For day traders, combining Level 2 data with custom charts can mean better trades and less slippage. Long-term investors, though, probably won't need this level of detail. Premium's tools are about stacking the odds for active traders. If you're making quick moves, this is where Premium shines. Webull Premium's edge grows during extended trading hours. Earnings reports and breaking news often hit before or after the regular session. With Premium, you get full Level 2 data and advanced tools even when the market is less liquid and more volatile. This lets you react instantly, buying on good news or selling to avoid losses before the main session opens. But remember, extended hours mean higher risk, lower volume, wider spreads, and bigger price swings. That's why having detailed data is so valuable. It gives you clarity when others are in the dark. For traders with a plan, this can be a real advantage. For everyone else, caution is key. So, is Webull Premium worth the monthly fee? For buy and hold investors, probably not. The free version covers all your needs. But for active traders, the cost can pay for itself if the tools help you make even a few better trades each month. Think of it as a business expense. If you're trading often and using the data, it's an investment in your edge. If you're trading small amounts, though, the fee might eat into your returns. Always weigh the cost against your trading volume and strategy. For some, it's a no-brainer. For others, it's unnecessary. Check Webull's site for the latest pricing before you decide. One big limitation. Webull Premium's advanced data is only for US markets. If you trade international stocks, you won't get the same benefits. Also, these tools aren't magic. You need to know how to use them. Beginners may find Premium overwhelming. Start with the free version and learn the basics first. Webull Premium is best for serious, active traders who rely on technical analysis and quick decisions. For everyone else, long-term investors, casual traders, or those still learning, the free app is more than enough. My advice, master the basics, then upgrade only if your trading style demands it. Don't pay for features you won't use. Choose the version that fits your goals and experience.